Shit, almost out of time. Well, I want to do a quick video about some space shit. That's Arcturus right there you're seeing from the Boots constellation. And then you can't see the other two, Izar and Alphecca, because the fucking clouds came out all of a sudden. But, that's all, pretty close to the same spot every night for a while now. But at least since the first day of fall, because it's setting 1 to 3 minutes earlier every day roughly, but it's also getting dark 1 to 3 minutes earlier every day. So it kind of like lingers in the same spot, almost at the same, like, not same time as on the clock, but as far as, same time on the clock, as far as how light and dark it is outside. So every day, for about an hour after it gets dark out, for a couple months now here, the Big Dipper has been sitting right up over here. Jeez, I'm almost over out of time. Only like 5.5 minutes now. But there's the handle of it. Right there. But it's right in that same spot every day for the last, since a little over a month now. But every day, about an hour after dark, it's sitting right there. Now, all that shit moves counterclockwise. But, yeah, it's, right in that same spot every day, about an hour after dark. And then there's some of the ones in the cup right there. That's probably the bottom corner or top corner of the cup itself. But yeah. Anyway, there's light here. Up above us, Vega, which is one of the brightest stars in the sky. That one right there. And then that's one of those is called Edmund, I think. I forget what constellation those two are in. And then next to the Vega is Cygnus. So you see the bright one there, it's to the right, and then to the left of it, right here you got 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3 in there. So it's almost like a T shape, if you will. And then on the two ends, there's another star on each end. There you go, right there. You kind of see it, and then on the other end, there's the other one right there. Oh, actually, one of them two. I didn't realize this. No, is that Edmund constellation thing? No, that's down there. Okay, not constellation. Sorry, Edmund looks like Edmund or something. Looks like the name of a star. But there's two stars up here. Well, one, I think it's that one, is the end of it. But there's one right next to it I have not noticed before. Let's see. Can we get the North Star? Yep, there's the North Star right up there in the center screen. And then over here to the left is like the cup with a little dipper. Right about over here. That's like the outside edges of the cup. And it's upside down right now. It always looks like it's pouring something out and into the Big Dipper. So, anyways, and then Saturn. Saturn is really high in the sky right now. See, yeah, there it is through the lights. It's already that far up, and there's just like, we just lost the last hint of light as I went and take Ripley inside. We just got home. I just finished that other video, walked down the block, turned around, took it back in. By the time I got back out, that last little hint of daylight is gone. So it hasn't been dark for an hour, but it has felt dark for, between a half hour to an hour. But once the shortest day of the year hits, then shortly after dark, that handle for the Big Dipper will slowly but surely start moving off course from where it's at every day. So we had, when Jupiter was about to pass Saturn, right down the road, straight above the road, like right up in that general area. Once the fall equinox hit, it was literally every day as the sun was going down. Well, it was still daylight out. You could just start to make out Jupiter, and then once it got a little bit mostly dark, you could see Saturn. They were kind of like this. So Jupiter was down here, and then Saturn was up here, and they were in the same spot as it started getting dark out every night for a few months there, for a couple months or so. It was wild because they were in that spot 1 to 3 minutes earlier every day, but it was getting dark 1 to 3 minutes earlier every day. So it wasn't until like almost December before Jupiter looked like it was finally catching back up at all to Saturn, and then it finally did. It was right next to it on the 21st of December that year, and then it has continued to elude it ever since. So right now, this is technically now on the evening side of the sun, because when the sun sets, it's already down. Jupiter's still on the morning side. Now, it's pretty much at its most overhead point before the sun even comes up now. So it's is getting around and being about halfway. We're about to, go to the back side of the sun from it. Sorry, we already did that. We are catching up to it. So, once it's setting as the sun goes down, then that's like halfway to catching up to it and lapping it from when it first becomes visible in the morning. Like halfway from appearing in the morning just for the sunrise and then disappearing just for sunset. I'm out of time. Peace out. Bye, y'all.